What's going on today on Master of the Mixed Drinks? I'm making my favorite drink of all time. Now, I originally thought it was done by Mac Dre, but after some in-depth analysis, okay, I Googled it about 10 minutes ago, we found out that this drink called the KCT is made by a rapper called Tech 9. It's not Mac Dre, it's Tech 9. KCT stands for Kansas City Tea. That should have been my first, little tip, but I'm done, so it is what it is. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your lemons, you're gonna put them inside your cup. You're gonna muddle that real good. You wanna get all that lemon juice up out of there. Real simple, real simple. And then, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have to take your Hennessy, your beloved, God-given Hennessy. Love you, girl. Hennessy ain't never did me wrong except that one time in college. We're gonna talk about that. But you're gonna take your Hennessy, you're gonna give them 1.5 ounces of the most delicious liquor of all time. Love that Hennessy. And you're gonna put it over ice. Put that guy with some ice, you feel me? And then you're gonna top it off with that delicious Sprite. I don't know if they're still obeying their thirst, but I know it's good to me. You're gonna garnish that with a lemon. And you're gonna put one more lemon in there, real smooth, like Gary Coleman. And there you go, that's your KCT. Now that the KCT is done, gotta have somebody try it. And why not have our good friend Han here try that thing on out there. Homie.
So it's called KCT?
KCT, a Kansas City tea, the best drink I've ever had in my life. Tell me what you think about that, big homie.
That really tastes like tea. It tastes just like tea. It's like the perfect drink for your front porch.
Let me tell you something. When I was in college, man, we used to sit out. Well, I ain't gonna tell you where we used to sit at because I don't want to get the college in trouble. But we used to sit out and drink them all day long. And I'm gonna tell you right now, if you want to party, start them, but you want to keep it light, that KCT where it's at.
Definitely where it's at.
For sure, for sure. Appreciate you, huh? Already. And for more drinks like this, beautiful KCT, hit us up, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. Master of the Mixture. Yeah, Master of the Mixture, all right? What's up?